Hi everyone, I'm Grace and this is my Project Zero for CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript. I choose to do a professional homepage and try to be clean and classy, but showing all the concepts we learned from the two first lectures. So here we go. We have picture and centralized text. Every page, when I mark the text and the pictures, change color to blue with white, and I also have a fixed footer here and a simple sided menu to the other pages of the site. My second page is my CV page, and I use it ordered list, and here tables, bookmarks, and a top button goes always to the top of the page, style file, class and relative footer. So when I click on the ordered list, I go to the section I want on the page. It's all working. And let's go to the third page. The third page I used Bootstrap. I'm a project manager, so I want to show all my most important projects. And all pages, when I resize to a small size, it changed the background colors. And on the Bootstrap, I made it to give us just one column, but showing all the other colors here. The footer, I show the class selector, and the last page is a contact page, and I used forms, alerts, SASS. For the SCSS style file, I used variables, nesting, and inheritance. The inheritance you can see on the buttons. The mother is button, and the son and the daughter, or daughter and son, are send and cancel, which the difference between them is the color. I also have icons linking to external pages. Here is my LinkedIn page, my Facebook page. And to show the CSS nesting, I made another page just to show the Bootstrap message class and finish the page. Let's go to the code. Here is my atom with my code for this project. I have all the files and the style sheets, the CSS simple one, and the SCSS, and then the converted as CSS. It's all working. Thank you for watching. This was my Project Zero. I hope you enjoy it.